Good morning, everyone. Bitcoin is back over 92K. Ethereum's Fusaka upgrade is set to launch today. Kalshi is raising at 11 billion, and Myriad is making big moves. You're watching Decrypt TV. I'm Tyler D, and here are your top crypto stories from today. Bitcoin bounced back over 92,000 yesterday, and crypto majors are up 7 to 10% across the board after two major updates from TradFi. First, Bank of America told its wealth management clients that having 1 to 4% of their portfolio in crypto is now reasonable. That's the first time the major bank has included crypto in its official allocation guidance, and they will be arming their wealth managers with crypto guidance ahead of a 2026 rollout. Second, Vanguard's access to crypto ETFs officially went live yesterday, now letting their brokerage customers buy Bitcoin, ETH, and XRP ETFs in regular accounts. Bitcoin ETF volume spiked to $5 billion on the day, and the crypto market responded in kind. Next up, Ethereum developers confirmed that the Fusaka upgrade will activate today. Fusaka makes it easier and cheaper for layer 2 networks like Arbitrum, Optimism, and Base to send their transaction data back to the Ethereum mainnet. These L2 networks handle most user activity today, so improving how they post data helps reduce costs and keeps the Ethereum ecosystem running smoothly. This upgrade is part of Ethereum's long-term plan to let most users interact on faster L2 chains, while Ethereum focuses on being a secure settlement layer. Next up, BlackRock is leaning big into tokenization. CEO Larry Fink and COO Rob Goldstein recently released a statement explaining why they think tokenization, putting assets like funds, bonds, or stocks on the blockchain, will become a major part of the financial system, and called it the next major evolution in market infrastructure in a piece in The Economist. They said tokenized assets could help reduce paperwork, speed up settlement, and make it easier for different financial institutions to share accurate records. BlackRock is already testing tokenized money market funds, settlement tools, and collateral systems with partners. And the company said these changes will roll out slowly over time, but it expects tokenization to be a major shift in how markets operate. And two pieces of prediction market news today to round us out. First, prediction market exchange Kalshi announced a new funding round raising $1 billion, valuing the company at $11 billion. Kalshi continues to operate under CFTC regulation and says the new funding will help it launch more event markets and scales technology as user activity grows. The raise also makes co-founder Luana Lopez Lara the youngest self-made female billionaire in the world at age 29, passing Taylor Swift and Lucy Guo. Way to go, Luana. And Myriad rounds us out today, announcing a new integration with Trust Wallet, one of the most widely used self-custody wallets in the world. Trust users will now be able to access Myriad's prediction markets directly inside that Trust wallet without needing a separate browser, extension, or dApp site. The integration supports easy connection, in-app signing, and smooth asset management. Myriad said the goal is to make on-chain prediction markets available to a much larger global audience. And with access to Trust Wallet's 200 million global users, they just took a big step forward to achieving that goal. That's all for today's headlines. I'm Tyler D, and you're watching Decrypt TV. Goodbye.